Okay, I made tacos here in the house. Yan. Ayan yung sauce. Ito fish. Ito pork. Tapos may yellow rice. Tapos may beans. Tapos yung lettuce. Ayan yung sahog. Tapos ito yung sauce. Tapos ito, gumawa ako ng soup. Ayan, magbi-build na tayo. Okay, nilagay ko na yung fish tsaka sauce. Lalagyan natin ng lettuce. Lettuce tayo. Tapos lalagyan natin ng rice. Yellow rice. Ganda yung sa Mexican eh. Tapos nilagyan ng yellow rice. Yan. Benchots. Yan. Yan. Tapos lalagyan natin ng beans. Beans. Ito beans yan. Yan. Beans. Parang magiging fish burrito to. Yan natin ng kamatis. Kay Tony to. This is for Tony. Siyempre damihan natin yung sahog. What? Natin sauce. Yan. Yan maraming sauce. Tapos irarap na natin. Maliit yung maliit yung tortilla. Sabog. Sabog. Dapat yata dalawa. Yan. Tadaan! Kay Tony to. Bigay na natin kay Bossing. Ah!
So yeah, the next thing really is scambelts.
Fish. Hindi hanggat mainit. Tikman mo kung masarap.
Me go get it.
So you know, it'll be a proper job.
Fish yan.
Right. The first job is
Ikaw, Adriel, yung pizza mo, wait lang ha.
I'm almost done.
Wow.
can seem quite
Sa akin pork. Lasang lechon to. Yung hinimay na lechon. Tapos lagyan natin ng lettuce. Lettuce. Tapos tomato. Tapos I want some yellow rice. Yellow rice. Ano yan? May ulam na. Kanin na may ulam na. Yan. Yellow rice. Tapos beans. Beans. Hold on! Anghang ata ito. Ayan. Yan ang food trip namin today. Manatin. Laki oh. Sarap. Kalasa niya yung ano sa Mexican restaurant. Sarap. Mukbang muna tayo. Ayan, tuloy natin. Lasang ano siya, yung in-order namin sa restaurant. Kasi gumawa ako ng mga ano, ayan o. Yung yellow rice. Tapos yung beans, ayan. Gawa ko yan. Tapos nag-get ako ng lettuce na maninipis. Ayan. Tapos yung kamatis. Wala nga avocado, doon ako nakabili na avocado. Pwede na yan. Natamad akong lumabas eh. Natamad kasi kami lumabas.
But I'm now happy with my belt tension on both cylinders. I got it so that I'm in the 5 plus or minus 5 hertz range of 110 on both pedals. And then I've turned the engine
Yellow
a
rice.
couple of times and I've double checked that my timing marks are all still in the right place, and I've gone around and twanged my belts a little bit more.
Lalagyan mo siya ng beans.
Everything's coming back as in range again, so but realistically, this is easier than the Desmond Quattro motor to do work on, because the access in the rocket is easier. It's, you know, not a bad thing to work on. It's definitely not Japanese, but we can't hold that against it. I quite like an Italian. And on that note, I might go home, have a bit of pasta for my tea.
Tapos meron akong ginawang lomi soup. Pakita ko sa inyo. Lomi soup. Invento. Wow. Lomi. Plus yung tacos natin. Burrito tacos. Ako nasa restaurant. Grabe. May soup pa on the side. Pangalawa na nito. Kita ko sa inyo. Ito pala na pindot. Fish to fish. Yung kay Tony. Fish taco. Fish burrito. Yan natin ang beans. Yung beans. Pang ano. Ginawa ko to. Tapos, lagyan natin ng lettuce.
All in all, I'm happy. A little 10-minute ride. We're looking good. So that's going to be it for this video. Hopefully you liked it.
Tapos, kamatis. Tapos, lagyan ulit natin ng sauce.
We're born on the battlefield and answered the call when America needed us most. From the original Freedom Machine.
Si-roll natin siya. Hindi siya ma-roll kasi masyado malaki. Wow! Bahala na si Tony. Yan. Yan. Fish taco. Pangalawa na to. Oy, bukas yan ha. Bukas yung dalawang tabi. Baka tumapon.
Laki naman.
Eh, hindi ko nga maisari. Kain now, ligpit later. Ayan mo, pinaghugasan. Pinaganoon ko. Lutuan. At dahil busog ka na, ting, magligpit ka na ng kusina. At dahil busog ka na, time na para magligpit ng pinaggawaan mo. Clean up your mess! Clean up, clean up, clean up. Yan, magliligpit tayo. Nainan. Grabe. Ito ako maghugas ng plato dito. Philippine style. Philippine style hugas plato. Philippine style hugas plato. Mga pinaglutuan, pinaggamitan. Ano?
May pair of height. Nanginginig.
Time out muna. Matatae ko. Yan. Tapos na akong. Yan. Wala tayong nasa Pilipinas. Hugas-hugas ng platong. Ganyan lang. Alright.
Smaller, and it's going to be going slower. It's still going to impact. The thing is, the shock wave.